In November 2024, Krispy Kreme discovered hackers had accessed data on over 161,000 employees. By May 2026, they'd settled a class action lawsuit for $1.6 million. That settlement is the smaller part of the damage. While systems were being fixed, online ordering went offline for weeks. The company reported $11 million in lost U.S. revenue and a $10 million hit to EBITDA from one incident. A breach today carries four costs: incident response, forensics, legal counsel, external advisors. Krispy Kreme spent over $3 million on remediation in Q4 2024 alone. Business disruption. When systems go down, operations stall, and revenue stops. Legal and regulatory liability. Class action lawsuits are now standard. GDPR, CCPA, and Hype 8BA fines compound that. Trust. Once customers know their social security number was in your database and wasn't protected, that doesn't reset quickly. Most security tools are built to defend the perimeter, but data now moves across cloud platforms, third-party vendors, and internal tools, often without a clear record of who accessed it. The right question isn't who can get in. It's what is happening to the data right now. That means tracking access in real time, detecting anomalies before they escalate, and building an evidence trail before regulators or lawyers ask for one. This is what AnySecura does. Visibility. A clear view of data access and movement across your systems. Anomaly detection. Behaviors that deviate from the baseline, flagged early. Evidence. A structured, auditable record that holds up in a legal or regulatory review. The Krispy Kreme pattern, breach, disruption, lawsuit, settlement, is repeating across industries. The companies that avoid it are the ones that can see what's happening to their data and act before it becomes an incident.